Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Valley with Valley Girl Beauty, and I'm so excited to finally bring you the long overdue 3-year update to my first ever YouTube video on how much it costs to be a distributor. If you go back and watch that video, you are going to see that there has been so much growth and development from my first video to now, 3 years later, and likewise there have been a lot of changes with the company, and so I figured I was long overdue to actually come on and talk about what SeneGence looks like now in 2020 versus what it looked like 3 years ago in 2017. So before I get into the details about the kit and things like that, I just wanted to share a couple points. When I joined 3 years ago in June of 2017, we were going through the period that was called the out of stock ellipse, and if you look up reviews on SeneGence, you might find some negative ones, and they usually come during this time period because during that time we were going through such massive growth due to new digital marketing and social media trends and influencer marketing and things like that, that the company absolutely could not keep up. They were primarily a belly-to-belly business and then just exploded online and went absolutely viral. So when that happened, everything sold out. We were out of all products except for 6 lip colors, 1 gloss, and a remover when I joined. So we had 0 skincare, we had 0 makeup products other than those lip colors and the gloss. So I can understand why that would be frustrating if you're trying to run a business and you have no products that you can order. Me, with those 6 products, I loved it and I sold the heck out of those 6 products. And I'm happy to say that now we have so many different safeguards in place. We have new manufacturing sites that even though our production has been cut down because of the pandemic, and at the same time our growth has gone like exponential this year in 2020 so far, because when people are staying home and looking for work from home businesses, we have not had any of those out of stock issues. So they have put the safeguards in place so that even though we are experiencing a bunch of growth and at the same time we're having to cut back on production, we are not having those out of stock issues. So, you know, those were valid concerns 3 years ago when people were going through that period, but the company has adapted and put in safeguards and has truly welcomed in the digital age of marketing, which I'll share a little bit more about later. Okay, so when it comes to changes, one of the first things that changed is the distributor sign-up fee has changed. So when I joined 3 years ago, it was $55 plus tax and shipping, which came out to around $67, and that came with a marketing kit. The new distributor sign-up and kit is now $65 and actually comes with product. With tax and shipping for me in Miami, it came out to about $87. But that is something that we have been asking for, well, that I've been asking for the 3 years that I have been a distributor, and they listened to us and they made it happen. So now the new distributor kit comes with your choice from 3 different trios of colors. One is the soft neutrals, one is the deep neutrals, and one is the rich bolds. And I will do another video on my channel that specifically goes over what comes in your new distributor kit so you can see the different color options, or you can just message me if you want to see more pictures. But anyhow, so that is amazing. It's literally what we've been asking for, because we want you to be able to sign up, pay your distributor fee, actually get products in your hand that you can immediately start putting on, start demoing, showing your customers like, hey, you see this gorgeous red? It doesn't come off. And we want you to have that as soon as you get your kit. And it also comes with tester wands so that you can let your friends try it on. And you know, sometimes seeing is believing, and they're like, is it really going to stay on? Well, it really does. And now you're going to have 3 colors that you can show on yourself or let your friends try using the tester wands. It also comes with that same marketing kit that you would get previously, and you also get skincare samples and beauty books, which are like our product catalog. So the $10 increase in upfront price really comes out to about a $20 increase when you look at shipping. You guys know I'm all about transparency. So again, 65 plus tax and shipping for me came out to about 87. But just in that product alone, not counting the beauty books or the samples or any of the marketing materials, you're looking at $75 plus $20 for the gloss, plus the $10 for the remover. So you're looking at like $105 value. The total kit has about $131 value, so it's an amazing price. $20 more, you get 3 colors, you get a gloss, you get a remover. So keep those things in mind. It's probably, I think, is the best sign-up option that we've had since I joined, because you literally actually get product with your kit that is shipped as soon as you sign up. So that change right here is amazing, and I hope that it stays this way going forward. Another change from when I joined 3 years ago is the website is now free. So originally it was, I believe, like $9.95 or something like that a month to have the company provided website. That website fee has been waived, so it is now free. So you get a free company website every month when you join up, and you can use that to allow your customers to order through there. Because it used to be something that you had to pay for, the majority of distributors and we got into the habit of sending out our own invoices. So using Square, PayPal, Zen Sales, and things like that to invoice people because we didn't want to have to pay an extra $9 a month. Well, now it's free, so now you get the option. You can still send out your own invoices, or you can have your customers order through your SeneSite, which is your free website. And they have also updated and improved the customer direct option. And what that means is if you have CDO, customer direct option, turned on, that the company will package and ship the orders for you and then pay you the commission rate that you're at. So that's amazing, because if you're someone who does not want to package orders or deal with shipping, or maybe you're sick, or maybe you're traveling, you can turn CDO on, and any orders that you get through your site, the company will automatically ship directly to the customer for you. Now, the reason that I am partial to placing a bulk order and invoicing myself, or having them order through my site but having the CDO turned off, is because if you bulk order, you can control your discount level. So I always want to be getting at least 40 to 50% commission. So if I bundle my order together, then I can make sure that I'm getting to keep 40 to 50% of that profit in my pocket. If you have the CDO turned on at the beginning of the month, you are going to earn the commission at the current level that you're at. So you are going to be getting 20% on your first orders until you reach the PB to bump up to the 30%. Then you'll be getting 30% until you bump up to the 40%. And so you will still be making money, but you're going to be earning less because you're going to have to be going through each of those tiers. Now, if you reach the 40 or 50%, by all means, go ahead, turn that on, sit back and relax, and have them order through your site, and the company will just pay you the commission. So there's really two options depending on how you want to run it. I run my business more like a boutique, so I invoice and I also ship my orders so that I can make them cute, and there will also be another video on how I package my orders on YouTube coming soon, so make sure you check for that. Which brings me to my next point, which is the cost of shipping and packaging materials and things like that. So just like before, there are still shipping costs, and that goes by the post office. So I send everything first class parcel, and that comes with tracking so that you and your customer can, make sure that your package actually gets there. And that just varies based on package weight. I still purchase the bubble mailers and cute packaging materials and things like that to put in there. Also, if you guys watched that first video, I was printing all of my own business cards and my tips and tricks how to apply cards at home, and laminating them and spending extra money on paper and ink and things like that. And I have upgraded, and so I use Vistaprint because you get so many business cards or so many little postcards, whatever you want to include in your orders, for such a cheap price. So I definitely recommend using Vistaprint or another service like that to print your business cards and your marketing materials that you're including in your packages. So the price on that is the same. It just depends on what tools you use. When I first started, I couldn't afford the upfront cost of Vistaprint, so I was just printing at home. But in the long run, that is going to end up being more expensive because of ink and paper and all those type of things, and also more work because everything you have to cut out. You have to cut out by hand and make sure it's not crooked or anything like that. So I had to get a paper cutter. So from then to now, it's a lot more streamlined, it's a lot more professional, and it's really going to depend on your capabilities and what you can do for your business, and also how you want to brand yourself. I also changed my business name. When I first started, I was Vibrant Lips by Valley. I have rebranded to Valley Girl Beauty, which is a play on my name, and it also encompasses everything beauty versus just the lips, which was all that we had when I first joined, was the lip sense. But now we have all beauty products. We've also added a hair care line, a spa line, and a men's line, and none of those existed prior. Those are all brand new product lines that we have, and we've been reformulating and improving anything that needs to be improved. So lots of good changes. And that brings me to the next point, which is they have fully embraced the digital age, which is amazing, because some companies are still no, you have to be belly to belly, which is good, because talking to people one-on-one, letting them, like actually demoing the products in person, having parties and things like that are great. And there are some girls on my team who absolutely kill it in parties and in-person demos, and that's great. And not everybody has the time or the personality to do that, and so SeneGence has fully embraced the digital age. And now with every single product launch, they give you a marketing kit. We have an image gallery online that you can use on like your socials to promote the products and things like that. And we've also have, I think, at least 4 apps that have been developed. One is super cool. It's called the SeneLook app, and that allows people to actually try on the products virtually. So they can do it in real time and like swipe through and try on the different colors, or they can upload a picture of themselves and try on the lip colors and the shadows and the eyeliners and things like that. And that's a great way to allow your customers to try before they buy, especially if they're not local to you. We also have the Dots app, which is our distributor onboarding training system, and that is great for new distributors. It takes you step by step through everything that you need to know about the business all in one convenient app. We have the SeneBiz app, which has trainings and product launches and flyers and things like that that you can use for your business. And then we also have the SeneShop app, which is just an easier way to check out and order instead of having to log into the back office, which has also been upgraded. Our company website, like when you log in with your distributor ID to order, it has been completely revamped, which is amazing because it's a lot more easy to navigate and see what you want to see and what you're looking for. So many things have changed and been improved from when I joined 3 years ago, and that's really why I wanted to do this video. And I've actually been wanting to do it for a while, but just finding the time and also just getting comfortable with videos and things like that. So that's why I'm here today, because just so many amazing things. So big takeaways from this video are: it's no longer out of stock lips, everything is in stock, and we have the capacity to handle this massive growth phase that we're having even despite a pandemic. So we have had 70% more ranks and re-ranks this year than we had all of last year already. So this is a great momentum phase that we're going through because, again, people are looking for more ways to earn from home, and this company is tried and true, and it has been around for over 20 years. So this is not one of those that just springs up overnight and then may fold in a couple of years, and all the hard work that you've invested, it now goes down the drain. It's been here for over 20 years. It's open in over 7 countries. It's in Australia, New Zealand, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Canada, and more. So it's established, it's stable, it's true, and it's profitable. So that's one thing that I really love about it. You don't have to worry about it getting shut down because they follow the rules and the guidelines very, very strictly. Let me look at my notes real quick. See, guys, I'm not perfect. The sign-up cost. So the sign-up cost increased from $55 to $65, but you now go from just a marketing kit to a marketing kit plus actual product. And again, check out my video to see the different color options that I'll be uploading. The website is now free. The company website is now free. You can do CDO or you can ship yourself. Still going to be the same cost for business and shipping supplies. You can use PayPal, Square, Zen Sales. Now there's the marketing kits. Now there's the image libraries. We've also, as a team and as a distributor base, have created so many amazing resources for people that didn't exist prior. So there are actual SeneGence content groups where it has drip campaigns that you can literally just update the text, make it fit your personality, but there's graphics and images and everything that you can use to post in your group. We have guides for using Instagram, we have guides for using YouTube, we have guides for using Facebook to grow your business in person, how to brand yourself. So there's so many amazing resources, and I really, really love how SeneGence has embraced this new age of social marketing and things like that. So if you have any questions, go ahead and send an email to info@valleygirlbeauty.com, and I will update this video. So look down in the About section to see the monthly promo. Every month there's usually some sort of promo going on for signups. So go ahead and look below to see what the current month's promo is. And if you want to sign up, just send me a message or click the link below. Okay? All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this and follow me on Instagram @ValleyGirlBeauty, and I can't wait to connect with you. Bye, guys.